everyone, my name is Doni Lewi Prasetyo Tumorang. Today I would like to present my research proposal entitled Comparative Analysis of Blasting Geometry Methods on Rock Fragmentation and Blasting Efficiency at PT Kaltim Primakoa. This research is focused on evaluating several blasting methods to determine the most effective and economical method for improving rock fragmentation and mining productivity. Here is the presentation overview. We can skip this part. In coal mining activity require an effective blasting operation so that we can break the rock masses into manageable size. An effective blasting operation will significantly reduce time transportation, hauling efficiency, and mining productivity. But most of the mining companies still use the conventional method, and if inappropriate method can make the mining costs get higher. There are two main objectives in this proposal. First is to optimize blast geometry by evaluating volume, powder factor, and blasting cost. Secondly is to achieve the fragmentation target, which is 80% of the fragment less than 100 cm. There are three benefits of this research. For author is to improve critical thinking, for student as a reference, and for company as to evaluate the most effective method for their mining productivity. There are three methods that I use in this research for the geometry design, which is RRS method, CG-Konya method, and iron taking method. By using Kussram fragmentation, hopefully this research can simulate the fragmentation by first calculating the fragment size using explosive weight, volume, rock factor, and RWS. Secondly, to determine the uniformity index from burden, hole diameter, spacing ratio, powder column, and batch height. And lastly, using Rosen-Ramler equation to calculate the distribution. The research methodology starts from literature review, primary data, secondary data, geometry calculation, and data analysis. This research is in PT Kaltim Primakoa in Kalimantan Timur, which is an open pit coal mine. In this research, I proposed two blasting agents, which is N4 and emulsive explosives. The difference is in water resistance, relative cost, fragmentation, and FOD stability. By this research, hopefully this research can achieve the target 5,000 BCM per blast by giving the total more or less than 5% from the target by comparing all the methods that they use in the proposal. Second is the fragmentation target, which is 80% more than 80% fragments at less or equal to 100 cm by using Kussram method. Lastly is to calculate the cost, the most effective cost for this method. In conclusion, there are four conclusions actually in this research or this proposal. First is to selecting the most effective method for PT Kaltim Primakoa condition. Second is iron taking method expected to improve the energy distribution, reduce explosive consumption, and lower blasting costs without sacrificing fragmentation quality. Kussram analysis will further validate whether more or equal to 80% of the fragment achieve less or equal to 100 cm, meeting the PT Kaltim Primakoa's requirement. And lastly is to analyze the cost so that it can help the reduce overall mining cost operational. Thank you for your time.